What's up, Grenade family? Today we're talking all things Thuso Mbedu, the South African actress who's now conquering Hollywood, stacking serious bank, and living a life most of us only dream about. From her net worth, houses, cars, career highlights, and personal life, we're breaking it all down, gossip style. So lock in, smash that like button, and let's go. So Thuso Nokwanda Mbedu is a South African actress born on the 8th of July 1991 in Pietermaritzburg, KwaZulu-Natal. She grew up with tough beginnings and worked her way up through acting school and hustling in TV shows. So she became internationally known for starring as Ukora Randall in the Underground Railroad, making her the first South African lead actress in an American TV series, guys. So her early roles, well, Thuso started in South African series such as Saints and Sinners, Isibaya, Scandal, and Isithunzi. She earned back-to-back international Emmy nominations for Isithunzi, an extremely rare honor for a local South African actress. So her international break, Amazon Prime's The Underground Railroad, earning her major awards and global recognition. So she also appeared with Viola Davis in the Hollywood smash hit The Woman King. Her net worth estimates vary, but most reliable sources place her between $1 million and $5 million. Her income comes from acting in TV and Hollywood films, international streaming deals, endorsements and sponsorships, social media influence. So in local currency terms, some estimates put her wealth at about 30 million rands, thanks to the roles, endorsements, and lifestyle deals. Thuso doesn't hide her success. She's been seen in luxury vehicles like a Porsche Carrera S and reportedly an Audi Q8, either bought herself or gifted as part of a brand partnership. She travels internationally for premieres, film gigs, fashion weeks, and advert campaigns, living life on a global scale. While Thuso keeps her private life very low-key, sources say that she owns property both in South Africa and the United States, where she's often based for film work. Unlike some celebs who flaunt homes online, Thuso prefers to focus on her craft, travel, and career rather than showing off houses. That's classy and strategic, building long-term lasting wealth over flexing. Thuso stays mostly private about relationships, but the rumor mill once linked her to Umusa Mthombeni, though both say they are just friends. She's passionate about education and community upliftment, even talking about plans to help kids through bursaries and charities. She's also worked major fashion weeks, partnered with global brands like L'Oreal, and has serious Instagram influence with millions of followers worldwide. So that's the real story behind Thuso Mbedu, from SATV to global screens, millions in the bank, luxury cars, and international fame. Comment below what's your favorite role of hers, the Underground Railway or the Woman King. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. See you in the next one.